Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now today I'm filming this video. Yes, we are doing crispy chicken wings in the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1, but I'm filming this on the new year, January 1st. So last night had some drinks, I guess you could say, under the weather. You know, today I was like, oh, I don't want to do a video, but you know what? I'm getting out and I'm doing a video. Absolutely. Had fun, and you know what? 2020, I just want to say thanks to all of you, all the subscribers, absolutely, every one of you, for taking time out to watch the videos and putting stuff, or watching stuff that I put out, because it takes a little bit of time, a little bit of money, and some effort, and to put into these videos and for you guys. So anyway, that's what it is for the new year, 2020. Thank you, everybody. So we're gonna kick it off with some crispy chicken wings in the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what we got. We have I got 17 chicken wings. I got some drumettes and some flats, both here. And this is going to be so easy. You're going to be blown away by how easy it is and how good they are. So all I did is just rinse the chicken, patted it dry just a little bit, and we're just going to season it up. I'm going to use some Montreal chicken and some garlic salt and a little bit of black pepper. That's it. Let's go ahead and season these things up. So we have all the wings seasoned up. There's kind of a close look of the seasoning. Just the Montreal chicken, some garlic salt, and some pepper. Use whatever kind of spices or anything that you like. That's just what I'm using for this. So let's get on to the next step. Okay, the next step is super simple. I've got about 1.5 cups of just regular all-purpose flour. And just go ahead and add about a tablespoon of whatever your seasonings that you use, a tablespoon of this, a tablespoon of that, and about 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and put it into your flour and mix it up. Okay, so we got all our seasonings in our flour. The reason why you want to do that is you want seasoning in the flour as well as season the chicken. You just want good seasoned chicken. So we got our flour here, and from here, we got our chicken, our flour. You can dump these all in your flour and shake them up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do each one individually, just like that. You don't want a lot of flour on it, just enough flour. Let's see if we can get you a good look here. There you go, just a nice little coating. That's it. And that's all I'm gonna do for all these. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat these, and once we're done, we'll bring you right back and take you to the next step. See you in a minute. Okay, so we've got all of our chicken wings floured up. Just remember to, after they're floured, just knock them off the side of the bowl to knock all the excess flour off. But we got here and here, and we're good to go. They're all seasoned and floured, and let's go ahead and throw them into the air fryer. Let me show you how to get these things super crispy. See you in a minute. Okay, so here we are at the air fryer. We got our 2 racks. Here's one. Go ahead and open this thing up. All right, put your first rack on the top. Get in there. And your second rack in the middle. Just like that. Super easy. Hit the power button. We're going 375 for 10 minutes. Hit the power button, turn it on, and we will see you in 10 minutes. There is 10 minutes, and all we're going to simply do, you're still going to have flour all over these, just like this. Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. Is we're going to rotate them. So from the bottom, or I'm sorry, from the top, or we're going from the middle to the top. And then the other one that was on the top, we're gonna put that one in the middle. Just like that, super easy. Get it back in there, turn it back on, 375. We're going 10 minutes again, and we will see you in 10 minutes. Okay, there is another 10 minutes. Now this is what you are going to be looking at after the rotation and everything. So they're looking good. They actually are. I'm gonna get you a decent picture here, but don't flip out yet because there's still flour on some of them. And the bottom one, it's the bottom one. They're gonna have flour. They're gonna have flour. So this is what you do. All right, so from here, we're almost finished, but you're gonna need a little bit of oil, just a tad. I just got some Pam here, some canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever you want. Anywhere there's a little bit of flour, just take your can and just spray a little bit right on the flour. Any pieces that have any flour that's showing, got a couple over here. And just hit the flour spots. That's it. And there we go. All we're gonna do is throw it back in the air fryer. Okay, so we're going back into the air fryer. We just put the oil on them, a little bit of oil. Now, the top rack is gonna go on the middle. This actually is the middle rack, so this is gonna go on the top. And the one that was on the top, we grab this one. We got this one here, and that's gonna go in the middle. Just like that. We're getting some crispy wings. What we're gonna do, we're gonna turn that power on, 375 again. This time we're gonna give it 7 minutes, and we'll see you in 7 minutes. Okay, so after the 7 minutes, let's see what we got. Oh man. Oh, I can see that. But they are looking good. So last rotation, oh, they're already crispy. They're looking good. So last one, we're just gonna take this middle, set it up top, and then right back down here. Last rotation, 5 minutes, and we're done. Power 375. Let's go down. Oh, there we go. 5 minutes. Power button. We're done. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, there's the last 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Whew, steam's coming out. Oh my goodness! I could see. Let me get y'all a good look. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. All right, cool. We will meet you at the cutting board and try some of these out. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and that's how you get crispy chicken wings on the brand new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. This thing is awesome. Take a look. See if we can get you a nice little close up. Oh, ooh, look at that. I got my light over here, so it's kind of ooh, but oh man. Yeah, and crispy. Absolutely, those are phenomenal. So that's how you do them. Super simple, about 32 minutes, and I can't stress enough. I want to appreciate all of you guys for subscribing, taking the time out to watch the channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers and pushing. So thank you for that. And 2020. 2020 and beyond. All right, cool. So if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Check the iCard for videos. There'll be some other videos popping up as well. But with that being said, I am definitely gonna enjoy the rest of these. And we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.